Aluto ka kuana. Panyapon ang tinola. Ayan guys ah. Ano guys, abot pa na kopi guys oh. Na, are out, Bombay, kamatis, luya, kag tangilan, ay papayas, kag dahon kutumban. Lagyan ko ng pika guys. Sana itong gamay la. Ngayon ako ka na iluto ang luya butang. Luya. Ahos. Bombay. Kamatis. May manok ka. Sudah na talaga. Ang asin gamay. Ano ba? Yun na. Tutulog nito sa kanayo para mayo. Tubig. Ayun na, tubig na, pwede na. Sige na. Timit na nga tubig tunga o gabang. Magagamay guys, mapulang guys para mabukan. Lakunin ko mga 10 minutes. Okay. Hanap bukala guys. Lulutawan ang Nor Cube na lipatatulogin na. May-ari na Nor Cube. Kag kapayas. Dundog natin. Kapayas. Guys, payas at tanglad. Okay na. Taman mga 10 minutes. Tok na guys. Mahulog na tasang butang na ng dahon katumbal. Kahit katumbal. Wow, kanamit ni. Tingnan tabi guys. Abaw, kanami. Ito mga 5 minutes na lang guys. Luto na guys. Pwede na eh. At tingnan tayo kung okay na, kung namit sabor ya o good na. Ano na guys, ano na yahaw.
Meanwhile, the boy opens his mouth and causes bees fly out of his mouth, and people put on his hat and hurry to set them back into his belly barbecue spear with special abilities. Mary's ability is to control fire, and in just a few seconds, she can remove
Tingnan ta.
and calculate what it is to immediately turn a person to stone if he or she is
Neng!
as the children tell you. Mystery, her power is extraordinary. She bursts down the clock at the moment the invaders drop their bombs.
Mananam.
As she does,
Good.
eventually going back